what I have here today is some nice lamb chops I'm gonna put on the grill. Hey, I got some parsley seasoning. I got some Worcestershire sauce. And I got my favorite all-time dry rub. You already know, hey, it's about to go down. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm using my Worcestershire sauce and my favorite go-to rub. So I'm gonna come on and hit it with it. Just go hit it on one side because it's pretty powerful. Don't want to overpower it. Them big lumps is probably seasoning over top of brown sugar. You know how brown, I know grind it up a couple times, that brown sugar, still comes back into lumps. How can I get rid of that? So yeah, I'm gonna throw a little parsley on here, just for, you know, nice little color. A little dab, excuse me, a little dab of butcher sauce. I decided to try to cook them just like steaks. Let's go ahead and go. As you can see, we got the burro house nice and hot. Show you guys how to use it like a grill instead of using it like a smoker. You can put the rack up this high, or you can drop it down one or two other levels, and you can cook it directly on top of the fire. Boy, I can already smell them. I can taste them too. Let's go ahead and put the top on there. Woo! Look at that. Look at them. Woo! If you ain't never had lamb, I'm telling you, you has got to try it. Look at the nice color on them things. Excuse my mini-me here in the back. They smell good. I can't wait to get a bite of these. Hopefully I don't bite my finger off. Or somebody else's if they feed me.